Hey, Team 100, I did not forget about you guys. We are having the conversation, knowing when to let go. So tell a friend, grab a friend, let them know it's going down in IG right now. Let's go. What's up, Team 100? I know testimony night, Friday nights was supposed to happen. However, when life throw you a bone, you have to pick it up and run with it. And when life happens, you have to interact with what's going on. So I do apologize for everyone that did chime in or did send me DMs that they were available. You just have to go with the flow of life. You know, I'm not in control of my life, and so I have to follow who is. However, we are going to talk about it, knowing when to let go. I give you guys 5 simple tips on how to recognize it, know it, own it, and let it go. So stay tuned because we're going to get into it. All right, so the first tip or principle that I have for you is recognizing that there is a disconnect. When it's time for you to let go to certain things, there will be a disconnect. You will find a moment in that situation or in your life where you're just not connecting. You're not receiving the information. You're not responding to the information, whether it's to a person, whether it's to a career, a job, whether it's to just like life. You're disconnected from life. You're disconnected from that person, and you're just disconnected. Realize that there is a disconnect. Understand that there is a disconnect. Be aware of that disconnect. Principle 1. Principle 2. Recognizing that you no longer enjoy it anymore and it's no longer pouring into you or your purpose. A lot of time we stay in situations and we prolong our blessings from certain situations because we don't want to realize or accept the fact that it no longer makes us happy. We're miserable in that situation. We're miserable in that circumstances, and we prolong us letting it go because we want to try to convince ourselves some way, somehow, that we still enjoy it, that we still want to pour into it, that it's pouring into us. When stuff starts to take away from you and take away and drain you, you need to let it go. Principle, step 2. All right, now tip number 4, make that decision to really let it go. Oftentimes we come so close to walking out that door, so close to making that decision, so close to closing that contract, so close to just walking into our new purpose and our new life. But then we get scared. We don't make that decision. We are not dedicated to that choice of, hey, I'm gonna walk in that choice. I'm gonna live in my choice and I'm gonna make it work whether I'm afraid or not. Make the decision, stay with your decision, and don't look back. That's when you know you're ready to let it go. Tip number 4. Tip number 5, and it's a wrap, okay? Ask God for confirmation. I don't move unless He tells me to move. And so whatever you're going to let go, whatever you're going to get rid of, whatever you're going to walk away from, ask God for confirmation. He is not going to let you down. He is not going to direct you and stir you the wrong way. So ask Him, have that conversation. God, am I doing what you want for me to do for my life? Is this the path that you want me to take? Am I going down the road that you have set for my life? And is there a part of your plan? Ask God for confirmation. He's one of the people that would never stir you wrong. That's tip number 5, confirmation. Team 100. So I just gave you 5 simple tips and principles on how to know when it's time to let it go. I hope it is a blessing to you as it has been for me. And I hope you're able to apply this to your life. Also, we're going to be back here for Go Get Mondays. So catch me on IG for Go Get Mondays. And we're going to be here Friday nights. Hopefully, you know how we do it, for Testimony Nights 100. I love you guys. I love your support. Keep up your energy and know that, baby, you got this. Later.